Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're signed into an administrator account. This lets you remove drivers without permission errors. Once confirmed, open Device Manager via Windows plus X or the search bar and locate the target device using its model name. Make sure to close any programs that might be using the hardware so files aren't locked. This prevents errors during removal and speeds the process. Now you're ready to identify the exact device entry to modify. Right-click the device entry and select Uninstall Device. This begins removal of the driver layer, so Windows stops using that package. If you intend to remove the driver package from the system entirely, check Delete the driver software for this device. This ensures Windows won't automatically reinstall the same files. Once the uninstall finishes, make sure you follow any on-screen prompts. If a restart is requested, do it to finalize changes, and after reboot, inspect Device Manager to confirm the device is gone or shows a new entry without errors. This proves the uninstall took effect. If Windows still lists the device, you scan for hardware changes or manually reinstall the correct driver from the manufacturer to restore expected behavior. If problems persist, roll back to a previous driver or use system, restore to revert system files. These measures undo problematic changes and recover a working configuration when uninstalling alone doesn't resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.